Flash flood warning information for the following county: Hall, Nebraska. Flash flood emergency for the city of Grand Island. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Hall County until 2:45 a.m. At 11:45 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have already fallen, and additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Extensive flash flooding is already occurring in Grand Island, with law enforcement unable to access some stranded vehicles. This is a flash flood emergency for the city of Grand Island. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Grand Island. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Thursday for the following county: Hall, Nebraska.